It's uncomfortable, right? Okay, then. Yeah. And where did you put in adult or child, you know? Which
adult.
Adult, yeah. You're good. I'm glad it worked for you.
So this is the straw that he was using there, and it's actually a recent Shark Tank product designed by Dr. Safey here. Look at how it actually works.
You know, hiccups are a repeated cycle of spasms in the diaphragm, and drinking through the hickaway generates enough pressure that can stop those spasms in the diaphragm.
It may sound complicated, but Hickaway does all the work.
Crazy how well this thing works. You literally just put it in water, drink through it, and it stops your hiccups. If you guys want to grab one for yourself, I'll add it right here to the TikTok shop for you. Go in, just look at the reviews for yourself.